Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and as you can tell from the title, this is another DESTASH yarn video where I'm going to be showing you guys, well, we're going to be showing you guys all the yarn we're going to be selling. We're going to dump it out, sort it out, put it up on a website in this video, and by the time this video is out, it'll be ready to be purchased. So this is the bucket. I'm not gonna dump it yet, but this is the bucket. It's full of yarn, and we're gonna be dumping that out soon and sorting it out for you guys to see everything. And yeah, I don't know if we have as much as we did last month, but we have some for you guys to get, so that's what matters. So let's get it. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's get a good thumbnail. Oh. Alright.
Wait! I wanted to record that.
Really? Okay. Okay, that is a lot.
For real.
Beautiful. Let me show you.
I'm very loud, but it's okay.
You're always
I got
loud.
my project that I'm working on for my kit. I have finished the back panel, so I'm working on the sleeve, and then I will start doing the tutorial for it. I still want a big scale, and I'm gonna get a battery before this dies. Oh, we should put like.
Okay, guys. So so now we're going to sort out all the yarn. The majority is really our hand-dyed advent calendar yarn, but we still have a few others. But we're gonna sort it out and then take pictures, of course, just like the last one. And yeah, so let's get it. Okay guys, so everything is organized, kind of. We just have to separate this into 5s.
Yep.
So we're gonna give you guys 5 each, and then
Which is 100 grams, so you can make a sock with it. It's like 400 something yards.
I'm like 100 grams, but I was thinking of yards.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, and that's it. So we're gonna organize that, take pictures. But yeah, let's organize it right now.
Let's get it started.
Okay, so we have 17 bundles of 5 of these mini hanks, and then we have 1 bundle of 4, and then we have this bundle of drops air. We have boucle, we have the snow drop snow bundle, hand-dyed yarn bundle, this wool ease bundle, then we have my, what's this?
Drop snow scraps.
Scraps. We have the drop snow scraps bundle, and then we have this random boucle air wool ease bundle, scrap bundle, and yeah, that's all we have. So now it's time to take pictures, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, now it's time to package everything now. So let me turn this and get started. all packaged. Okay guys, so they're all on the site ready to be activated when it's time, but we don't really have a lot, but we have 18 of the advent calendar, which is what makes it a lot. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but it kind of is a lot. But yeah, so that's all we have. And I clicked one, hold on. Okay, here we go. So that's all of them. Anyway, it's clearly the next day, but that is all for this video. I'm excited for you guys to see the yarn and get the yarn you like, and I'm excited for you guys to get it because we weren't gonna do anything with it, so I'm happy someone can do something with it. But that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!